We're back on the AJS. We had to buy a brand new battery. I've not put it in the casing yet, so we should have brake light. And if I press that, not a lot on there yet. Oh, I can just see the pilot light glowing on there, dim as anything. Headlight, discharge, headlight, beam change. Excellent. So looking at the battery box top, I've got two notches, which must be those two, and a single notch, handmade, must be that one. So I'll finagle them in. And battery's a bit tall to go in there really, that's probably why they cut the bottom out. Let's see if we get a bit of go out of it. So just under the bike, I've got Grandad's long spring to his side stand, and then a 3/8 sneak on the drain plug. So this should have nothing in with my catch can, but it shall be wet sumped. Oh yes. I wonder how much we're going to get out of this then. It doesn't get used regularly enough to stay not wet sumped. Right, when that drain will come back.
Just put these last two screws in.
Well, that was a perfectly sized pan. We'll measure that in a minute. Just the best part of a litre around the bottom of the AJS then. So I'll keep that oil because obviously we're going to run that back because the tank's a bit low. But let's get up now and see what the kickstart feels like. Right, foot on the kickstart. Well, that feels better. There's no wet slumping noise now. So the next problem is, get the clutch pulled in, we still turn over. So let's see what we can do about that. That'll be part 3, I reckon.